Welcome to another Geekbot how-to video. Today, I'll show you how to set up a poll right from a Slack thread. It's a great feature, especially when you need your team to land on a decision. Here we are in Slack, and I'm trying to pick a location for our upcoming offsite. We've already got a conversation going, and I sent a reminder to finalize things. Now let's see what the team has to say. Here's Rom's response. He's leaning toward a mountain lodge. Noah just jumped in, suggesting somewhere near the beach. Now here's my pick. How about we keep it in the city? This could go back and forth for days, so let's bring in Geekbot to help us decide with a quick poll. It can actually read through the thread's conversation and generate suggestions based on it. Just type /Geekbot, add your question, and let Geekbot handle the rest. And there it is! Geekbot's drafted a poll for us. Not happy with the options? Hit Generate again for fresh suggestions. You can also edit the question or add more options yourself. These look good to me, so let's hit Publish. And voila! Our poll is live in the channel, ready for votes. That's all there is to it. Next time a thread's piling up with replies, bring in a little Geekbot magic to help your team move forward. Thanks for watching, and see you all in the next one.